Yeah, guys, how are you all? You're warmly welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you are old, thanks for coming back. As you can see from the title, your boy is. So I'm here to at least show the upcoming and new YouTubers like me myself how I did it to get monetized. I won't say easily, but somehow like fast. Yeah, so just stick to the video, point some things down, and let's get into the video.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the
Trust me, I'm not trying something like this.
Where are you?
We rise
I'm really
like
tired.
tall buildings as the chemicals they take.
So sorry. I know how difficult it is to get 4,000 watch hours. That's why I made this video to share my secrets. So we have some 4 to 5 points. I'll advise you guys to list it down. It is normal. Maybe the 5th point will be the secret I used. So 1, in your videos you have to try and pick the correct or good titles. You pick the correct or good title. We have apps that helps that, like the vidIQ or something like it can help you guys to maybe pick a good title. So you should get a good title to the video you are doing, and you know a good title also come together with a good thumbnail. You have to relax and edit your thumbnail to attract viewers. Relax, get yourself a good title and a good thumbnail as well. That's the first point. And the second point is for you to use the royalty free music in your videos. When I say royalty, we have free music on audio, like YouTube audio library you can use. You don't have to use our favorite artist songs or it won't help. Use free royalty songs in your videos, and that will also help not being copyrighted. Yeah. Number 3 is you have to understand the YouTube algorithm. You really have to understand that. It's very important. You have to know when you are posting to the audience, and you can find that in your YouTube analytics. You can find all that channels your audience watches, and that stuff like that also help promote or like help you get more views. Like it helps. Yeah, that's my number 3. Like my point number 3 is to understand the YouTube algorithm properly. You have to focus on watchability and value. Focus on watchability and value. And I have to give you the secrets. Oh, applying all this can help get you views, stars, but you have to get this before it will come fast. The watch hours I mean. You have to be going live unconditionally. Like that's my secret, which I'll probably use it on my channels I'm about to create, is to go live unconditionally. All that 1 to 4 thing I did was to at least create a fan page, like at least gather some people to your channel. But the 5th one helps you to get the watch hours very easily and fast. You have to go live unconditionally. You can check my channels, and you can see I have my life is even more than the content I have on this channel. the normal videos I have on this channel, because it helps me going to live an hour, 2 hours helps. It really helps. So if you really want me to explain the fifth point, that's the secret, very well, just type in the comment section, please explain it, or done or something, let me a thumbs up or something, and I'll try and explain that, maybe on one of my pages, maybe on Instagram, like DM or my WhatsApp number or something. That will help build ourselves on YouTube. It really helps. So don't forget to like, share to other people for them to see. I pray you won't always be a small YouTuber. You are you all get there. So don't forget to like, share, and comment in the comment section. Masalam.
Take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the
Trust me, I'm not trying something.
we lay awake in bed.
But I'm really tired.
Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just